Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have a few little diamond painting items to show you. They are from New Craft Day. So I'm just recording like a fiend around here lately, and I thought I'd get this done while I got a minute. I don't know when you'll see it because, you know, Vlogmas and all kinds of stuff happening. But anyhow, these are super cute and I wanted to get to it. Okay. Let's just start with the painting first of all, because these are off canvas projects. So let's start with this. We've got us a cute little owl here, very Christmassy owl. You know, I love my owl paintings. I have a bunch of them. This one's super cute. It has 8, 9, 10 different drills. It looks like 4 of them would be special drills. We have special drills here and on his hat and on the like fern or snowflake. That's a snowflake. But super cute, super cute. Little 30 by 30. I think it will turn out very pretty. Hopefully Mr. Smokey stays on the floor here and doesn't try to jump up and get involved in the situation. I just let them in too. So anyhow, let's look what we have. We have some clear rhinestones, green. These kind of have a little grayish hue to them. It's hard to tell, but they do. A red, a gold. Okay, and then here are our special drills. Oh, there are 5. No, maybe there's, I don't know. They're all different. Okay, so we have these clear iridescent teardrops. We have the clear marquee. They're all iridescent. Then this one has a tinge of green to it. Some gold, faceted, and round red. Okay, nice. All righty. Those are our colors. I think it will be super cute. What do you think? Smokey, what do you think? You think it's going to be cute? It's going to be cute, isn't it? Yes, it is. All right. So, speaking of Smokey, I got something for him and his friends here. It came in this nice padded bag for some extra protection, which is nice because it is an acrylic piece. And we know that they can break easily. So let's get it out. Let's look at it. Here's the toolkit. And here is our chain to hang it from. Okay. Here's our drills, and here is our piece. Now remember, there's a film on the back. Always peel your film off because they just look much better without it. Look at. Okay. All right. You pick them out. You pick them out. Sunny, misty, smoky. I don't know. That's a tree full of cats, isn't it? So cute. So super cute. Look, it's got some nice big special drills. It does have a lot of rhinestones. This one will probably take a little bit of time. Lots of rhinestones, but super cute. Cats in hats in a Christmas tree. I mean, what's not to love about that? Cats in hats in a tree. And we have not put our tree up yet. That has got to happen here very soon. And see what these cats do. I've been recording like crazy today because my husband has been out and about, but tomorrow I think I have to really decorate. Maybe tonight too. We'll see. All right, clear rhinestones, green, orange, another green, pink. That's like a champagne-ish color, a gray. Told you there were a lot of rhinestones. Red, a blue, a light blue. And here's some of the Christmas decorations on the tree. Some nice big red. They're like the clear ones. No. It's attacking my foot. It's attacking my foot. Help! I'm under attack. No. Love these guys right here. These snowflakey things. Sir, no. Gold stars and blue pearly things. Nice. I'm being attacked. Help, he's getting my feet. Oh my goodness. Okay. Can I just do one more thing here, please? And then you can have all the attention in the world. There you go. Just keep cleaning. You've been outside. Okay, sir. Oh my goodness. Here, say hello. Say hello. I know. I know. Get the stuff. Okay, come over here. Get the stuff. Play with the things while I do this. Sorry. No, tail. Tail in the way. Is it really that interesting? No, but that makes noise. Oh my goodness. Sir, say hello. Say hello and then say goodbye. I can't film with you up there. Okay? Can't do it. Can't do it. All right, I thought these were super cute. I haven't ordered something like this in a while, and I wanted to. All right, so look at those butterflies. Aren't they cool? Those are so neat. There's 3 of them, 3 butterflies, and they hang off of your bookmark. These are bookmarks. I've never gotten something like that for like a little tassel. But look at them. Aren't they pretty? That's like an orchid. It's an orchid. I like that they're shaped and they're cut out. Look at, we got one with roses. Super pretty. Another one with roses and some other flower. I don't know what that is. They're acrylic plastic. They're thin though, as you can tell. They're very flexible. So they'll make great bookmarks. And then the butterflies on the ends, I think that is just adorable. Adorable, Smokey. You know how hard it is to record something holding a cat in one arm? It's difficult. Let me just explain how difficult it is. What? You want to get those? Okay, hang on. You stay over there. You stay there. I'll show them the drills and we'll be done. Okay? Okay. We have pink rhinestones, a deep dark gray, another pink, a really pretty purple. That one's really pretty. A darker purple, some pretty little pink marquees and purple marquees. All the pinks and purples. Love it. So I think these are going to be adorable. Oops, there goes some stuff going with him. It's going down with the cat, going down. The other one's running around. Do you hear him? Recording with cats. So much fun. Oh, that was a nice leap from the counter to the table. That was beautiful. All right, so here's what we have. A little recap. All right, now that the cat has moved on to higher ground. All right, there we go. Super cute stuff. All right, thanks for watching, everybody, and saying hello to Smokey and, you know, all that stuff. So please hit that like button, subscribe button. Check out all the goodies I have, my memberships, my Ko-fi, my, what else do I have? I don't know. Stuff, just stuff. Check it out. And come back and see more videos, and maybe you'll get another cameo appearance from the big fluffy muffy boy, and, you know, yeah. Have a good day. All right, I'll be back soon. Bye, everybody.